I am about to drill a hole in this ostrich egg that was purchased while looking at California poppies in the previous video. This drill has a bit attached for drilling holes in glass. The egg was washed with soap and water, then masking tape was applied to prevent the drill bit from slipping and to help prevent cracking the egg. I started out slow, expecting the drill bit to quickly cut through the shell by simply resting the drill bit on the egg. Much to my surprise, the egg shell is harder than expected. An ostrich egg has less cholesterol than chicken eggs and considered healthier. The ostrich is a bird, but the meat is not poultry. It is actually red meat that tastes like beef, but is healthier than beef. I shined a light into the egg before drilling a hole into it, and it gives off an interesting reddish glow, kind of looks like the sun. An empty eggshell will no longer have a reddish glow. It will be an off-white color when emptied out and a light shined into it. Check to see if there's an ostrich farm in your area, and you may be surprised to find that there is one. Ostrich farms are becoming popular and profitable for the eggs, meat, feathers, and hide, which is similar to cattle hide. An ostrich does not start laying eggs until after 4 years of age, and will lay an egg about every 2 days over a 6-month period, and will not lay any more eggs for the rest of the year. Under the shell is a thin protective membrane, and my goal is to cut the hole without damaging the membrane to prevent any dust from getting inside the egg. I am being very careful making these final cuts. Wow, I was successful in cutting a hole without damaging the membrane. It is now time to pierce and remove a section of the protective membrane. It was very easy to penetrate and remove the membrane. The next step is to stir the inside contents of the egg, making it easier to remove. Since I'm the only one who will be eating this egg, I inserted a straw and blew air into the egg. This created positive pressure inside the egg and easily forced the contents out. The inside of the egg was then washed out with warm soapy water. The ostrich egg sells on Amazon for about $26, so it makes sense to save the eggshell. Making ostrich scrambled eggs is similar to cooking chicken eggs. Ostrich egg is thinner than chicken egg. It is not as sticky in the pan, possibly because it has less cholesterol. I added some sea salt, black pepper, and olives. And so now comes the taste test. If I did not know this was an ostrich egg, I would say it tastes just like chicken eggs. As previously stated, the ostrich egg is not as thick as chicken egg, so this is something to consider if using it in a recipe. I would recommend giving ostrich egg a try. See you in the next video.